Hello guys, how are you? Nice to meet you here. Today, I want to share about how to create loop blocks in Python. Python provides two types of loop structures, namely for and while. For example, if you want to display Python text 3 times, we can write the following code. Okay. So you can see my screen. At the top, use for I in range 1, 4. You have to make space here so that the program can work. Then enter twice. Okay. Next, at the top, use while. Enter I equivalent 1, enter while from brackets I is less or equivalent 3. So you have to make space here, print. Make quotation Python I plus equivalent 1. So you must enter twice. Okay, you can see the step with the for step with the for way and a step with the while way. Okay. The result is same among two steps. The two codes above will both repeat the print from bracket Python command 3 times, starting from the first to third I index. When using the for command, we call the range round bracket function, which is used to return values in a specific range. So this slide is the formula for range object. If not included, the default value for the step parameter is 1. For example, range round bracket 1, 4 will return a range object with values 1, 2, and 3. And I will make an example for range object in the list code. List round bracket, and I will add range in round bracket 1, 4 round bracket. So the result is this. The range round bracket function can also be used for decreasing ranges or from large to small, for example as follows. Okay. Enter list round bracket range from 3, 0, -1. Okay. The result is this: 3, 2, 1. Choose. We can just create a loop whose index value decreases. Examples are as follows. Okay. For I in range 3, 0, minus 1. The error occurs because previously there was a similar programming code. Therefore, we have to create this example in a new page. Okay. So I opened a new page for I in range 3, 0, minus 1. And there you have to make several space so that the program works. Enter twice. Okay. Python 3, Python 2, Python 1. Decreasing number. Okay. Now I will use while step. Okay, you can see the result is same, but the step is different. The above code is for step or for wait, and this is while wait or while step. Okay, this is all from me. Hope this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.